Give your Gladiator aggressive good looks while providing enough ground clearance to run up to 37-inch tires with Rough Country's 3.5-inch suspension lift kit. This easy-to-install kit offers a total transformation, giving your Gladiator a commanding presence while maintaining a smooth factory-like ride. Rough Country's 3.5-inch suspension lift kit features a set of durable front and rear dual-rate coil springs, allowing you to retain a smooth ride that's perfectly dialed in for your Jeep's new ride height. For an impressive ride quality both on and off-road, this kit also features Rough Country's nitrogen-charged N3 shocks. These 10-stage variable valving shocks feature a durable 18mm spring-loaded piston rod, huge 54mm shock body, and reinforced seals for long lifespan and smooth performance. Rough Country's Jeep Gladiator 3.5-inch kit features a 100% bolt-on installation process for an easy, no-fuss assembly, and includes a limited lifetime warranty for the ultimate peace of mind. The Rough Country 3.5-inch lift kit for Jeep Gladiator. Get yours today.